Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this one we're talking about how to fix Steam Web API key access denied error. So open your browser and navigate directly to the developer key panel at this address. Okay, there you go. And in here, of course, make sure to log in. If your Steam account is limited, meaning you haven't spent at least some amounts like $5 on the official Steam store, Steam will deny your API access request completely. If eligible, fill out your project's domain field node, agree to the terms, and register a fresh alphanumeric key token string. And also keep in mind that Steam does not accept API keys passed via modern HTTP headers like authorization bearer. You must explicitly inject your key directly into your target URL string query parameters using the syntax $key equals your key with underscore. Ensure you are targeting the absolute modern endpoint version string, append your arguments clearly, and you run your request initialization. So you should be doing something like this. So you can just stop guessing and just meet Steam's core account monetization standards and start working. That's it for this one, guys. As always, enjoy. So you should have something like this, guys. That's it for this one. Stop guessing why your data requests are throwing authentication drops. Hopefully this clears out some dust. If this helps, like and subscribe.